Let's move this Fiat out of the way and get work done on the Mini. Now Fiat's out of the way, just going to move the Mini over here a bit, get rid of all this wood and get it jacked up and get the wheels off. And I want to see why this wheel is flat. Now the Mini is moved and just gives me a bit more room on this side, and the ground is flat. So just gonna jack it up, get the car on axle stands and take the wheels off. So the Mini is up nice and high, just going to whip the wheels off. Check this for a puncture, I'd say it's a nail or a screw. Nice and high up. Do have an oil leak. It's coming from the sump, definitely there's oil all over the sump. Other side is good, except for there's a few leaks. But all of that is going to be sorted in the next few months. I do have a ripped CV boot, I think, so I might need to replace that. Maybe that's just oil from the last time, but yeah, let's get these wheels off. Doesn't seem to be any nails or anything, maybe it's just low pressure from sitting around, don't know. So yeah. So there we have it. This will all be coming off later on. I do have a leak in there, I don't know what it is, but once I get the caliper off, the disc off, and wherever else I need to take off, we'll figure that out, see what's leaking and fix it. Obviously if I need to do CV boots or anything like that, they'll be done. I reckon the ball joints on the bottom need to be done again. Everything needs to be done again because it's just a refresh. They're on the car a year or two, maybe 2.5 years now, and the car's been used, and with Minis, like, you have it regular maintenance, just needs to be done. So yeah, let's get all these brakes off. So I know I said I'm going to do the brakes Monday, but it is Sunday and I didn't know that Southside Motor Factors are open 7 days a week, 6 PM on a Saturday and 4 PM on a Sunday, and I just got to them. So I got 2 big tins of brake cleaner. Obviously when I take the bits off, I'm gonna whack everything out with this and get it all clean. So I got 2 of those. I got universal steering boot kit. I got a universal CV joint there because I know the car needs it. And then these, because I know the ball joints are good and I only done them. These are just worn down on the car, so I'm going to take them all off and replace them. So yeah, let's take all the crappy shit off the car and get these on. Right, so it's time to get all of this old stuff off and we'll have a look at everything when it's off. So everything is off. Ball joints are good, they're still nice and stiff, not too notchy. These are gone to shit, so I actually got new ones of these. Then this needs to come out and put the new one on. I'm nearly sure I have to take this off though. That's still good, that's nice and stiff. So yeah, just a general tidy up. Just spray all the brake cleaner on here, that'll clean everything off. And then I just need to put this little rubber back on as well and just give everything a tidy up and put that new boot on. This boot is good, it's still nice and soft, full of grease. So is the inner one, they were only done, but I'm nearly sure there's a split on the other side. But yeah, I'm just going to give everything clean off and put that boot on. So I have the new boot on there. I just need to put some cable ties on and then just tighten everything up. I'm going to give everything a good scrub under here, but then I'm going to leave it like this until I get the bolts and stuff for the new brakes, and then get this all cleaned up and put back all together. Now I'll spray it down with brake cleaner, just let that dry off, and I will give it a whack of a cloth and then we'll give it a good foam clean. So on to the next side.